Find a comfortable position. While seated or lying down, and gently. And close your eyes. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Then let it out through your mouth. Once more. I'll breathe in deeply. And release. Allow your shoulders to soften. Let your jaw relax. Feel the weight of your body settling. Into the surface beneath you. Now, picture yourself standing. And at the edge of a vast, golden field. The grass stretches out before you. Tall and soft. Swaying gently in a light morning breeze. The color is warm. Golden. Touched by the first light of day. Above you. The sun is just beginning to rise. Its light spreads slowly across the sky. Painting soft shades. Of amber and rose gold along the horizon. Feel that light reaching you now. The gentle warmth on your skin. Not harsh, not bright, just soft. A golden warmth. Like the field itself is glowing. Take a breath in. And imagine you're breathing in that golden light. Let it fill your chest. On your shoulders. In your arms. All the way down to your fingertips. And as you breathe out, let go of any tension you've been carrying. Any stress from today. Or yesterday. Or the days before. Let it drift away. Like mist lifting off the field in the morning sun. Now, notice the wind. It moves slowly across the field. Smooth and unhurried. You can hear it if you listen closely. A soft rustle through the grass. distant and calming. The wind touches your skin gently, cooling just slightly. Where the sun has warmed you, it feels balanced, peaceful. Nothing here is rushed. Let your mind settle all into this rhythm. O sun and wind, a warmth and breeze. Moving together in perfect harmony if a thought arises. Well, that's okay. Simply notice it. The way you'd notice a bird passing overhead. In this golden sky, you don't have to follow it, just let it pass. And return your attention to the field. Onto the light. Onto your breath, breathe in slowly. Feel the golden warmth expand inside your chest. Breathe out slowly. Feel your body grow heavier. More relaxed. More at ease. Imagine now that with every breath, on the golden light inside you grows. It is a little brighter, it's not overwhelming. Oh, it's gentle. Oh, steady. Like the first hour of morning sun. On an open field, you are safe here. There is nowhere else you need to be. Nothing you need to do, just this moment. On this breath. This field of gold stretching endlessly around you. Feel the grass beneath your feet. Or imagine it if you're lying down. Soft and cool. As alive, feel the earth supporting you completely. Listen again to the wind. Let its steady movement remind you. On that, everything flows. Well, everything changes gently. Without force, like the wind through the grass. Your thoughts can move through your mind. Without disturbing your peace, take another deep breath in. Hold it here for a moment. And let it go completely with each breath. You're settling deeper into stillness, deeper into calm, deeper into the golden quiet of this field. There's no rush here, just presence. And just being, let yourself rest in this space for a while. The sun continues to rise slowly above you. Warm and constant, as the wind continues to move gently around you. Soft and unhurried, and you continue to breathe. Calm and steady. Held by the golden light of this quiet morning. You are exactly where you need to be. Continue breathing naturally now. As at your own pace, let the imagery of the field remain with you, the gold light. The soft wind. The endless open sky whenever you feel ready. Gently bring your awareness back to your body and notice the surface beneath you. Notice the sounds in the room around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Take one more deep breath in. And as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of golden calm with you. As you continue your day, please subscribe to take more meditations.